This is a brief tutorial on using the website thecomputerprogrammer.com. And let me just bring up the home page. And you can see that I charge a flat fee per job, paid in increments. Let's go to quick facts. I'm a top-level programmer. I've had 20 plus years of programming experience, and you can read all about that here. Let's go to Job Calculator. Now, this is where you can read about custom websites, mobile websites, and custom databases. Also, you can get a price for any job. For instance, a custom website of up to 5 pages is $175. A mobile website of up to 5 pages is $100. And a custom database of up to 10 fields is $275. Now let's go to customers. Bring up CV Marketplace. This is actually one location for displaying many stores, and you can read all about that here. Let's go to Econostores. This is an e-commerce platform which I wrote. You can read all about it here. And let's go to the testimonials page. Testimonials page is where you can read client testimonials. Let's go to one-time pay. A one-time payment is a single payment made for any of the services rendered by John Stevens. You can read all about it here. And then the contact page is how you would reach me, or you can phone me at 1-805-704-7658. And the name of the website again is thecomputerprogrammer.com.